Hi friends, this is Suresh Mahapatra before you. The decision making plays a very vital role in your leadership. It may be you are leading your family, it may be you are leading in any corporate, it may be you are leading in your society, but your decisiveness, how quickly, how fast you are deciding, that plays a very vital role. So, question is that how to decide faster. The number one thing is don't keep so many options. Good leaders always they have two options: do this or do that. So either or, there is no multi-party system in a good leader's choice. And number two, draw a line between good and bad choices. Always good choices there, bad choices are there, and you always your decision which you want to take, but divide into good and bad. Whether you are taking good choice or a bad choice, then your decision will be faster. Then number three, listen to your gut feeling. Your people will definitely say many things to you, but what your gut feeling is saying, that is much more important. And number four is you think of your time and money, because your time and money once goes, that is lost forever. And number five, so know that your decisiveness grows with each decision you make. Once you are taking a decision, your decisiveness percentage will grow up. The more you decide, and your decisiveness will grow faster and faster. And number six, that remember that indecisiveness kills. So decide positive or negative, you have to decide it fast. So thank you for listening. I know for the betterment of others, you need to forward it to others. Thank you. Thank you.